Hi, I'm Cody Galvin. If we haven't met yet, I'm the owner and founder of Wise Builders Roofing and Renovations. In my over 8 years in the roofing industry, I've overseen well over 2,000 projects, and today we're going to cover my favorite shingle. Coastal homeowners deal with 3 major roofing problems: extreme sun exposure, hurricane force winds, and high humidity. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a solution, my favorite shingle, that helps tackle all 3. Have you ever walked barefoot on the pavement in the summer? Burns, right? Now imagine your roof taking on all that heat and then passing it down into your home. Traditional shingles absorb a ton of heat, making your attic and your home hotter. Pinnacle Sun shingles with 3M cooling granule technology actually have a reflectivity factor to them that keeps heat absorption from coming into your house. This keeps your house cooler. Less heat absorption means a cooler home, less stress on your AC, and lower energy bills. We actually had a client really close to the coast in Foley, Alabama. It's right above Gulf Shores and Orange Beach, Alabama, if you know the coast. They are snowbirds, so they have their primary home up in Indiana and their beach home down here. We were able to roof it for them this past spring. They left their thermostat on the same temperature they always do to govern the home and observe their power bill through the summer months in June and July with temperatures relatively the same. They reported back to us a 10 to 11% savings on their energy bill simply from having the new roof on there with all other factors the same. I know, wow, right? Coastal weather can go from sunny to stormy in a heartbeat, and your roof needs to be ready for anything. Pinnacle Sun shingles are built with a Class 3 impact resistance rating, which means they can withstand hail up to a certain size and even some flying debris impacts. They're rated for up to 130 mile/hour winds, meaning they'll hold up in hurricane-prone areas. The unique installation method keeps shingles from lifting during strong winds. Have you ever noticed roofs start getting spotty black spots on them, and then even on one side the entire slopes turn black after a few years? That's due to unsightly algae. Thanks to 3M Scotchgard technology, these shingles have copper-coated ions mixed into the granules. What happens is the copper will leach out, preventing algae from forming and keeping those unsightly black streaks off your roof, making your curb appeal last for years. It's actually included in the limited lifetime warranty of the shingle, and they define that as 50 years. That's an amazing benefit. So we've covered how the Atlas Pinnacle Sun shingle protects your home, keeps it cooler, and deals with unsightly algae. But there's one more question. Is it right for your home? If you want a roof that lasts longer, performs better, and saves you money, Pinnacle Sun shingle might be for you. If you think the Pinnacle Sun shingles may be right for your home and you're in the Baldwin or Mobile County areas in southern Alabama, give Wise Builders Roofing and Renovations a call. We'd love to come provide you a solution.